welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny, and it's been a long time since I have been on camera. I am in a whole different location. I'm in a whole nother different situation going on here, but I did want to get on camera today and show you my full wash day routine. I'm so excited to get back on camera. I finally had the time to do this. I finally had the time to edit and get this stuff on YouTube. I have so many videos that I need to edit and get back on here, but if you see me with more of the, I guess, the grayish background and stuff, that means I'm in my new location. I will do a life update video, tell you everything that's going on with me, all the updates. I am going to be washing my hair today. I really could definitely go a couple more days without washing my hair, but I want to go ahead and wash it. When it starts shedding a lot, I wash my hair every 2 weeks. Basically, this is me and my fiance's apartment, so I'll be in between the bathroom and the kitchen. The first thing I like to do is my Prepoo when I first wash my hair. What I'm going to be using is, I like to do my hot oil treatment. So what I do is either I boil some water or microwave some hot water right here. I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of steaming up. So what I do is I put my hot oil treatment here, which is, I've had this in my videos before. This is just my mixture of oils. So this is grapeseed oil, Jamaican black castor oil, rosemary oil, all that good stuff in here. So I just put it in the water. And then also this one, this is my Indian oil. So this is the, I don't know how to pronounce this, but I think it's bronze hair oil. So I use this every time I wash my hair also as my Prepoo. So this is great stuff. There's amla oil in this, sesame oil, brahmi, neem, really good oils that help your hair to grow. So I also put that in the water. I also put this in here. This is the Curlsmith bonding oil. I try to use this on my straight hair, but way too heavy for my straight hair. I prefer the Ouai oil. So this one's just, I just use it with my Prepoo. So I'll just put this one in the water also. I'll be also using this right here, is my secret, my baby, my magic. Once this came into my life, I feel like my hair's definitely started flourishing. So rosemary water, I made it yesterday, so it's nice and dark. I wish it was a little darker, but it's nice and dark. But I'm just gonna put this into my spray bottle right here and spray it on my hair. But I use this when I Prepoo, when I decondition, and then I use it as a leave-in. So as you can see, I'm just pouring it in here. It looks kind of like pee, it looks kind of gross, but it's good stuff. I'm gonna make a separate video on how I make it. I also use the Ser 100, and this is supposed to be like an Olaplex dupe. It's a collagen ceramide coating protein treatment. If I need a little extra slip, I usually like to use like just some other random conditioner, but I'm just gonna use this, the Curlsmith Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. But like I said, you can use any conditioner for your Prepoo. The warmest it's supposed to be today is like in the high 40s, but it was like 20 degrees this morning, so it's supposed to be pretty cold today. So I'm gonna try to keep on this hoodie as long as I can. I like to start spraying the rosemary, so I just spray it all over, mainly on my scalp. Like, be careful when you're using this because it's kind of strengthening. I would only put this on my scalp. Okay, so now that I look crazy, but it's in 4 sections. Separate it, spray it on my scalp, rub it in. Same thing with this side. Spray it on my scalp. Rub it in. And then I'm gonna just use a random, this is just a random spray bottle. So I can put some water on it. Because my hair's starting to get starting to revert. Yes, I have heat damage. I straighten my hair all the time and I don't care. So, and then I'm gonna take some of this. Just like that much. This is what kind of makes it a hot oil treatment slash Prepoo is putting the Indian oil on there. And then I go in my detangler. Make sure I start the ends. Yeah, and then it takes no time. Then I'll do it to the rest of the sections and I will be back. Okay, so I am back. I usually like to leave this treatment in the hot oil slash Prepoo treatment in about an hour or so. Just depends on what I'm doing. So far, this is how much hair I lost. You can see that. Yeah, that's the good part about wearing my hair straight now that I'm a straight natural is I don't get a lot of shedding. But yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so I am back. My hair feels really good. Very moisturized, feels very strengthened. Here's how my curls are looking. Yes, I see this part right here. Like I said, it does not bother me. I wear it straight anyway. Time is going so fast. It's already 4:30. I gotta cook dinner. I'm gonna fiance, but I think he gets home around 7. I'm a towel dry with my microfiber towel. Before I do that, I am gonna spray in my leave-in, which is, I do like to spray in some rosemary water and let that dry my hair. And I do my leave-in the Ouai leave-in conditioner. When I say this stuff smells so good, the leave-in is so good. So I just spray it all over my scalp. When I say the minute I spray this stuff on, it immediately detangles. It's the truth. So I try not to overdo the spraying. As you can see already, I immediately just put it in and already I can finger detangle, which I like to just go in and finger detangle a little bit before I go in with my tangle teaser. And then I just twist it up and do this on each section. Okay, so it's been about, I would say like 20 minutes or so. So I'm gonna get ready to blow dry it. I'm going to use my pattern blow dryer brush. Still using this blow dryer brush. It gets my hair blow dried super quick, between 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes shorter than that even. But the two products I do use before I blow dry is, I've been using this in my videos since I started YouTube. So it is the Kenra Platinum blow dry spray. I do spray on a little bit of this Colorwow spray right here, because you don't want your hair soaking wet when you blow dry, even if you have like a good blow dryer. Spray this on first. I'm being honest with you, I really don't know if that Colorwow does anything, but I just feel like it helps. So then I am gonna use my blow dryer on the highest heat setting and the highest blow dry, so everything on high, just because it gets my hair blow dried the quickest and I can get over with. It should have a lot of movement and body, just like that. If it doesn't have the body and the movement, then you did not do it right. After I'm done using the highest heat setting, I do like to use the cool. I do go in with the cool just for a few minutes, because like everyone always says, your blow dry, your silk press is only as good as your blow dry. So yeah. I'm going to be using the She Silk Infusion right here. To flat iron my hair, I use the Tymo. I keep it in this bag. I've been using this flat iron also forever. It's the Tymo flat iron, the airflow one. Just trying to make sure these plates are clean. Make sure you're cleaning the plates, because they could just have buildup on them. They have a pink one now, which makes me really sad. I kind of want to get the pink one, but I don't want to be like that. I don't be like, oh my gosh, I need a pink everything. I usually put it to, the highest it gets is 410. I'm debating if I want to put it to 410 today, or if I just want to leave it the way it is on 3. I'll put it to 4. This is the one that also has the fan. I'm not really gonna use the fan. I'll be forgetting to use that fan. I will be back to flat iron my hair. This is such a long process. Oh my goodness. So yeah, the She Silk Infusion, we're gonna take a nickel size. Yeah, you see that white stuff? Ignore that. Oh, and I also like to use this texture spray. I forgot about this. So this texture spray is supposed to be like, it's supposed to help hold the style. Oops. And it smells really good. It's supposed to be a holding spray task / texturizer. I forgot to spray down there. Tonight before I go to bed, I'll put some of the Ouai hair oil. This does smell so good. All the Ouai products smell so good. It makes my hair smell good. Basically, this was my full wash day. It usually takes about 5 or 6 hours, give or take. It took me a long time to get here. This is the longest my hair has ever been, so I'm truly thankful and blessed to have hair this long. I pray for long hair and I work hard to get long hair. I do everything I can just to take care of it, to maintain it. Thank you so much for watching this video again. Please like, comment, and subscribe and share if you care. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I hope to see you all again in my next video. Bye.